We are the Blue Sky Ramblers, and we're going to do some rambling songs for you. We're going to do some old-time cowboy music, some railroad songs, hobo songs, some old folk songs, and whatever feels right. So we hope you enjoy. We're going to kick things off with an old Flat and Scruggs song. Spending my life looking for a shoulder to rest my head as the nights grow colder, days are getting shorter, I'm getting old and a long time working it out. A long time working it out, I've been a long time working it out. A long time working it out, I've been a long time working it out. Well, I got a little gal just to keep me warm. Down the road I got 2 or 3 more. None of them knows about the one next door. I've been a long time working it out. Long time working it out. I've been a long time working it out. Long time working it out. I've been a long time working it out. Had me a gal in Tulsa, thought she'd be my own. Then she up and left me for a fella from San Antonio. Didn't even tell me she was leaving me. Now I'm the lonesomest cowboy out in the cow country. I got the cowboy blues riding down the canyon. Watch the sun go down. Picture that no artist ever could paint. White-faced cattle lowing on the mountainside. Keep the coyote whining for its mate. Cactus plants are blooming
and sagebrush everywhere.
Granite spires are standing all around. So long to the old empty bunkhouse where we dreamed the hours away. Send on them to the end of the trail. So long to the Red River Valley. I'll roll up my bed and pack up my clothes, lighten my heart with a song. For where I'll be traveling, nobody knows, but I've got to be moving on. So long to the Red River Valley. Our roping and wrangling is through, and so farewell.